Last week, we accidentally told you a little bit of a lie. We said on this week's episode we'd be going to Gabriola and meeting up with a new friend, which we will do next week. But after looking through our videos, we realized we had a lot of good footage leading up to December, showing some of the ups and downs of wintering on the boat. And we thought it was worth showing you guys. Hope you enjoy. Well, we've been struggling with condensation, which I mean any boater that lives aboard in winter will probably tell you that's the battle. But just like, I don't know, we gotta do something because you can't, unless you clean the boat every day.
Yeah, it's pretty bad.
In our bed here, there's just like,
It can't be healthy.
shine on the back wall.
It's all beaded, moldy.
Beaded, wet, that's all wet.
It's so puddly.
It's like soaking wet.
Oh, it's so bad.
Yeah, show the ground a bit.
Is it better if I don't quite shine?
Yeah, it's good there. That's all water. I mean, this doesn't help.
Oh,
This is a steaming bucket of water.
It's just hot water. I'm trying to kill some spores. We woke up with a ton more condensation in the side berth here where we sleep, which is just, it sucks. We wiped it out, cleaned it out last night. So we went and got insulation. We caved.
We cave, we just have to do something.
Yeah, I know.
Life is just gonna be sucky.
Sucky for the winter. I was just hoping we were gonna be able to make it through, you know? It'd be
Without doing
manageable.
anything. Yeah.
That's what I was hoping. Only there was like a light for this. I think that you should probably lay that flatter up with me.
You don't like how I did it?
No.
So judgmental. Getting nice and dry in here, good sign. Oh.
It has turned into an all-day affair. We've got almost half of the boat cabinets in here done. Just the cabinets.
Just those three cabinets.
Just these three cabinets. 1, 2, and that one's just drying out. Lyndon is bleaching this one. No, you're emptying this, and then I'll bleach it.
It's all wet.
So bad. This is a big job. And I opened the pack of insulation and it's like filled a good chunk of the cockpit. And it's raining, so we kind of got to use it up now or else it's going to get waterlogged, which would be bad. So anyway, this is a bit of a bummer.
Okay, so we're gonna go try to fly our drone. A little while ago I bought a new battery, which is all charged up. Definitely when I opened it, these ones aren't too bad, but these are a little bit stiffer, especially this one. And the propellers, so they don't spin much, but that one spins obviously more than those ones. And that one. So we'll see. But I bought the battery. We charged it up, we put it on the drone, and then I used my Samsung tablet this to fly. This tablet's like, I don't know, 5 years old. Yeah. And it used to run the app to be your screen. It kind of barely just ran it, and then I went to download the app again because I had deleted it once the drone had crashed, and it no longer ran on the tablet. So that was really frustrating. But my good friend sent us his old phone
What a guy.
What a guy. And
Jord.
it runs the app perfectly. And it's finally not raining. And I don't think it's windy.
Yeah, you gotta see these moments.
So we're gonna go fly. Let's go.
Are you nervous?
Yeah.
Yeah. Oh well, whatever. I'm just trying to be as uncaring as possible.
Ready to go. Okay.
I'm nervous.
Me too. It should hover.
Okay, well we're not over water, so that's good.
I don't remember how to fly it.
Take it slow. Maybe just try a couple landings, you know? How'd that feel?
Good.
How did it feel flying wise?
Good. I'm ready to
You ready to take over the water?
shots.
This is what you did last time. Why don't we just, are you gonna go feel make sure they're not overheating or something?
That's probably a good idea. We'll just send it up.
Okay. Oh my goodness.
I'm not even close. I mean, they all feel even. Okay, maybe I should just go fly it over to Xanadu.
Make sure you don't go too far because of, you know, airplanes. Make sure you're high enough. I'm so nervous. What? Ooh. I'm just paranoid.
Why would you be paranoid?
Should we just try maybe like from land in some wind first?
No. First flight out. First dunk in the water.
Make sure you're high enough. Did you crash?
Let's fly some more.
Just maybe let's just, you know, start
through the crane.
No.
That'd
Can
be
we
a
just
cool shot.
Yeah, it would. Let's just practice more, you know? I'm retrofitting the tarp we got. I put a zipper in.
I bought a canvas tarp from Canadian Tire.
We're trying to do a bimini on the cheap here.
Yeah. It has hand stitch.
Zipper. Repurposed some vinyl. I'm pretty proud of it actually. But hand stitching zippers is not very fun. It works though. What did you want?
This one will probably work better.
What did you do?
Just exploded a little bit of my finger.
Yeah, that's so gross.
Not that unnormal. Maybe there's some blood.
Oh, gross.
Some blood on me. Ooh, I really split it.
You're a little too aggressive. It's so cold and so windy. I don't love it. This is our horrible disaster of a cockpit. But our solar panels are up. I'm getting rid of the mold and our tarp is almost done. It's good. I knew that this one side berth needed to be cleaned out. I've been just scared to do it. And in good reason, I was scared. I just pulled my camera bag out and it's not good. It's covered in mold. Like bad. I had no idea it could grow on that so fast. And I have stuff in it. But look at this. Gross. Oh. Why? Oh, and those bags. They're probably all full.
Too bad.
I pulled the bags out. This one's the worst. Look at that. I feel like it's already like disintegrating. I'm so bummed about this.
How's it going?
I thought you said we needed time apart.
I'm videotaping.
Oh, sorry.
We have to pretend that we're perfect. How's that wetback working out?
Well, let me show you. It's pretty good. So I soaked it in vinegar yesterday, day before, I don't remember. I've been putting off finishing it. And so now I'm just trying to, it just really stinks like vinegar.
Trying to rinse it out?
So I'm gonna rinse it out. I'm gonna put it in front of the heater and dry it out after that. And I hope it'll be fixed.
Why aren't you putting essential oils on it?
I'll probably spritz some on after. I just wanted to get into the foam, because from what I was reading,
That's where the spores are.
yeah. So I hope I killed them all.
Good job.
Thank you. I just had to bleach that back wall again, and I think we're gonna throw insulation in here. Throw it in. It takes hours.
Well, we are, over halfway through November. And we've been stuck in the boat in the marina since the beginning of October, I think. And it's tough. I'm done. I'm ready to move out of the boat and do something else. Basically every other day or every 3 days we were having to pull everything out, wipe everything down, bleach everything. Sucks. We can't. It's just so hard to get anything done. The boat's packed full of stuff. We can't store stuff outside anymore because of the rain. It rains more than it doesn't rain.
4 to 5 days a week.
4 to 5 days a week it's raining, so we can't put stuff outside. And anytime you got to do something, it's just turns into disaster in here. I'm getting a little depressed. It's a painful existence.
We're counting the days till this season's over.
I kind of feel like by the time we get everything wintered so that it's comfortable, it will be spring and we'll be out of money because we spent all our money trying to live in the boat. So I'm depressed. How are you doing?
I'm frustrated.
We're fighting a lot. We fight more days. It's like rain. We fight more days than we don't.
Just from being cooped up and every day being like this.
And Tiff creates more mess than I do, so I'm always upset with her. Which isn't true, but in my mind it's true, and
That I create more mess.
Yeah,
in your mind,
yeah. I'm sure.
It's not in your mind that you get upset with me.
No, it's not in my mind, but I'm sure in your mind I create more mess than you do. Typical marriage. The other person's the problem.
You're in a low place.
Whatever, don't even try to pretend that you're not
No, I am.
constantly.
I am.
I don't want to spend my winter insulating and dealing with mold. Anyways,
We're okay. We're just very...
we're not okay. We say we're okay, but we're not.
Yeah, this has been really rough. Next time on Walde Sailing, with lifted spirits we leave the marina, we head out to Gabriola Island where we meet a new friend and help him with the boat project. For bonus content and cool rewards, click on our Patreon link where you can find out how you can support us on this adventure. If you haven't already, click on the subscribe button so you don't miss out on future episodes. Thanks for watching.